Hello everyone. Today I want to share my views on international politics. In international politics, I want to share my views on international relations, that is India-China relations, as I have discussed the cultural and economical and diplomatic relations between India and China in earlier video. And in this video, I want to share the problems between India and China and efforts made by the India and China to resolve the matter. Okay, first of all, the problems between India and China 2020. The main problem, the main conflict between India and China is near the Galwan Valley top, the Hot Spring checkpoint middle, and Pangong TSO bottom. The conflict between in these places. All the armies have settled down near that places. Okay. Now, India-China border, why tensions are rising between the neighbors? Okay, both armies have a tensed face. Both armies have a tensed face in that area, in border area. Every time they create a tension in border area. Okay, now and both armies, China's army and Indian army, have a strategical goal like that. Okay, now on 16 June, official said at least 20 Indian soldiers were killed in a physical altercation with Chinese troops in the Ladakh region. China attacked the Indian soldiers in June, 16 June, and at least they killed 20 Indian soldiers with a physical altercation. Okay, and China doesn't release any information about its causality, how they get lost in that attack. Okay, and it is the first deadly clash in the border area in at least 45 years. 45 years में ये first deadly attack था border area पर, ठीक है. It is in the June month, like that. In May, the Chinese forces put up tanks, dug trenches and moved heavy equipment several kilometers inside what had regards by India as its territory. The move came back. India built a road several hundred kilometers long connecting to a high altitude forward air base which it reactivated in 2008. In May, Chinese forces have to elaborate their equipments, and they have elaboration to the Indian territory. उन्होंने अपना विस्तार किया, इंडिया की टेरिटरी में अपना अधिकार करने की कोशिश की, ठीक है. एंड टू मूव आउट, इंडिया आल्सो हैव ए मूव आउट. फॉर दैट इंडिया बिल्ट ए रोड for 100 kilometers long that connected to which road? High altitude forward air base. High altitude forward air base, which reactivated 2008. Okay, like that. So now efforts done by India and China to resolve the border conflict. What efforts were made have done by India and China? First of all, China continues military building up along LAC near eastern Ladakh. They have to talk. The Chinese have continued the build up all along the LAC, including the figure area where they strengthen themselves with more position and construction. What this means? This means that China have to elaborate their more area. Okay, and they have a military building. They have a military building. उन्होंने अपनी क्या की, आर्मी को बढ़ाया ईस्टर्न लद्दाख पे. एंड दे हैव टू टॉक टू चाइनीज, हैव कंटिन्यू टू बिल्ड अप ऑल द LAC. उन्होंने अपनी पावर को स्ट्रेंथ किया. दे हैव टू स्ट्रेंथन देयर पावर्स इन ईस्टर्न लद्दाख. ओके, in LAC, line of actual control. To that they have to talk, okay, like that, and they made their position very strong, like that. Number 2, defense ministry spokesman Colonel Liu Chuang said the two defense ministers are negotiating on the phone. अब जो कर्नल थे हमारे, they have to decide to negotiate on phone, to talk on phone. The two sides held on second military level meeting on June 22, and to resolve the matter, to resolve the conflict, to resolve the border dispute, the second military level meeting has been held on June 22. Why? To control the tension and maintain peace and stability in border area. Because all want peace. Because all want peace and stability in border area. To control the tension, the second military level meeting has been held on June 22. Okay. Number 3. The talks are scheduled to be held between MEA Joint Secretary East Asia Naveen Srivastava and Director General in the Chinese Ministry of Foreign Affairs Liu Zhangjiu. The talks are being held 2 days after Chinese and Indian armies arrived at a mutual consent to engage for the friction points in eastern Ladakh. Again, the talks are scheduled to be held. Why talks are to be scheduled? To maintain the peace, to control the tension in border area in Ladakh. In which the talks have been held? MEA Joint Secretary East Asia Naveen Srivastava and Director General in the Chinese Ministry of Foreign Affairs Liu Zhangjiu. Okay. Talks are held 2 days after between Chinese and Indian armies to be mutual consents, to control the friction points, to control the tensions in eastern Ladakh. The main motive is to control the issue in the border area. Okay. Like that. Number 4. The latest high-level talks between senior military officer of India and China to discuss the border tension along the line of control lasted 15 hours. Another talk has to be held between military officers between India and China to discuss the border tension. What is the main motive? To discuss the border tension. Because nowadays India and China have a great conflict in the border area along the line of actual control. एंड जो 4th लेवल की टॉक चली, राउंड ऑफ टॉक हुआ, वो 15 आवर्स का लास्टेड 15 आवर्स में हुआ. द 4th राउंड ऑफ टॉक्स इन्वॉल्विंग ऑफिसर्स ऑफ लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल लेवल. लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल लेवल की मीटिंग हुई, उसमें इन्होंने हिस्सा लिया ऑन डिसएंगेजमेंट अलोंग द LAC एंड डिड एट 2 AM. द मैराथन मीटिंग स्टार्टेड एट 11:30 शुरू हुई. कहाँ पे हुई? चुसगुल on the Indian side of LAC. Okay, the de facto border. Number A, in this the Indian delegation was led by इंडियन आर्मी की तरफ से कौन था? लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल हरिंदर सिंह, कमांडर ऑफ लेह. लेह के कमांडर लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल हरिंदर सिंह थे. ठीक है. बेस 14 कॉर्प्स, while Major General Liu Lin, commander of South Xinjiang military region, was led the Chinese side. और चाइना की तरफ से मेजर जनरल लियू लिन कमांडर ऑफ साउथ Xinjiang military region के थे. Okay. Number B, in it India and China have been discussing about disengagement from LAC area including Pangong TSO and Depsang beside withdrawal the forces from the rear bases in time bound manner. In this meeting, the main point is to control the tension between to control the tension of border area first of all, and forces को पीछे हटाया जाए. Withdrawal of forces from the rear bases in time bound, where including Pangong TSO and Depsang. Okay. Pangong TSO and Depsang, like that. Okay. India and China have discussing about what is the matter of discussion in LAC. LAC के साथ साथ डिस्कशन का मैटर Pangong TSO और Depsang भी था. वहाँ से विड्रॉल ऑफ फोर्सेस किया जाए, मीन टू से कि आर्मीज को वहाँ से हटाया जाए. ओके, लाइक दैट. नंबर 5, इंडियाज डिफेंस मिनिस्टर Rajnath Singh and his Chinese counterpart General Wing Fons held talks in Moscow to ease getting border tension in ईस्टर्न लद्दाख. इंडिया के डिफेंस मिनिस्टर राजनाथ सिंह एंड हिज चाइनीज काउंटरपार्ट जनरल विंग फेंजाई के बीच में भी मॉस्को में इसके लिए ईस्टर्न लद्दाख में जो बॉर्डर टेंशन चल रही है इसके लिए मॉस्को में टॉक करने का डिसीजन लिया गया. ओके, नाउ नंबर इट इज़ द फर्स्ट लेवल मीटिंग बिटवीन द टू साइड्स आफ्टर बॉर्डर वॉर अपडेट. ये फर्स्ट हाई लेवल मीटिंग थी डिफेंस मिनिस्टर्स के बीच में. ओके, देयर इज ए ग्रेट कन्फ्लिक्ट इन ईस्टर्न लद्दाख. ओके, एंड इन मई एक्सटर्नल अफेयर मिनिस्टर एस जयशंकर एंड नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर अजीत डोवल held separate telephonic talks with Chinese foreign minister. These two, external affair minister and national security advisor S Jaishankar और अजीत डोवल has a separated telephonic talk with the Chinese foreign minister. चाइना के foreign minister वो ये से to resolve the matter, to control the border tension. Okay, तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि बॉर्डर टेंशन को ख़त्म करने के लिए बहुत प्रयास किए गए, बहुत एफर्ट्स किए गए. ओके, एंड फॉरेन मिनिस्टर्स की मीटिंग हुई, टेलीफोनिक रूप से काम किया गया, बट देयर इज़ नो रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम. ओके, नाउ the focus of the talks, next point is the focus of the talks between the two defense minister. Now it is the main important point कि अब there is a discussion between two defense ministers was the way to resolve the prolonged border standoff. two defense minister के बीच में discussion की बात हुई. okay, to control the border tension. okay, but both Singh and we are in Moscow to attend a meeting of Shanghai Cooperation Organization defense minister which took earlier in the day. SCO संघाई कोऑपरेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की मीटिंग को अटेंड करने के लिए वो वहाँ पर गए हैं. ओके, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर्स देयर दे टॉक अबाउट देयर मैटर्स अबाउट द बॉर्डर टेंशन ऑफ लद्दाख. Indian and Chinese troops are engaged in a bitter standoff in the multiple places in eastern Ladakh. Tension flared up again in the region after China unsuccessfully attempted to occupy Indian territory in the southern bank of Pangong Lake 5 days ago, when the two sides were engaged in diplomatic and military talks to resolve the border row. Okay, so Indian and Chinese armies have a bitter experience in border area. In Ladakh, they have always a multiple attack in border areas. Nobody knows what has to be gone at that day. Okay, and only media can show us. Tension has flared up again. Tension has risen more and more in that area, and all the attempts have unsuccessful to resolve the matter. Like in Pangong Lake, two sides were engaged in diplomatic and military talks again to resolve the matter. Okay, now number 9. India occupied a number of strategical heights on the southern bank of Pangong Lake and strengthened its presence in Figure 2 and Figure 3 areas of region to thwart any Chinese action. China had strongly objected to India's move. India has, however, maintained that strategical height around its sides of the LAC. India occupied a number of strategical heights, as China has elaborated their areas in Indian territory, and India also have occupied a number of strategical heights in the southern bank of Pangong Lake and strengthened their power, strengthened their presence, that they are present in that area to बचाने के लिए वो वहाँ पर प्रेजेंट है, अपने बॉर्डर्स को बचाने के लिए वहाँ पर वो प्रेजेंट है. ओके, चाइना हैज़ स्ट्रांगली ऑब्जेक्टेड टू इंडियाज मूव. चाइना ने ऑब्जेक्शन किया. इंडिया हैज़ हाउएवर मेंटेन दैट स्ट्रेटेजिकल हाइट are on its side of its side. India has to be however maintained, but India has to be maintained. India ने maintain करके रखा हुआ है strategical heights को. Okay, I mean to say strategical heights. कहाँ तक उन्हें अपनी boundary को बचा के रखना है इस चीज़ का, ठीक है। कहाँ तक उनका एरिया है वहाँ तक उन्होंने अपने आप का क्या किया है, अपने आप को पावरफुल किया है, स्ट्रेंथन किया है। ओके, नाउ नंबर 10, इंडिया has also rushed in additional troops and weapons to the sensitive region following China transition attempts. India has a sensitive region, China transition attempts. India has a rushed in additional troops and weapons. कई तरह के वेपन्स, कई तरह के ट्रूप्स वहाँ पर लाए गए हैं, क्योंकि चाइना जो है कई तरह का प्रयास, कई तरह के एफर्ट्स करता रहता है, अटैक करता रहता है। उसके लिए they have to be prepared by the weapons and troops. And the next point is, in his address at SCO ministerial meet, Singh said peace and security in the region demands a climate of trust, non-aggression, peaceful resolution of differences and respect for international rules. The SCO is 8-nation grouping. Okay, in SCO meeting, Singh said peace and security is must, climate of trust is must, peaceful resolution is must, and respect of international rule is must. They are a 4 points, because they wanted a peace, they wanted a security, they wanted a climate of trust, they wanted a peaceful resolution, they wanted a respectful international, respect for international rules. Okay, so SCO is a 8-nation grouping, 8-nation grouping है. Okay, I mean to say that 8 members है SCO. Okay, number 12, Singh comments in the presence of Chinese defense minister was seen as a veiled message to China over the border in eastern Ladakh. Okay, number 13, Minister Jaishankar is also scheduled to travel to Moscow next week to attend a meeting of foreign ministers of SCO on September 10. He is expected to have meeting with Wang Yi on the sideline of this meeting. Okay, September 10 को फिर से फॉरेन मिनिस्टर्स की मीटिंग है मॉस्को में. हो सकता है वहाँ पर फिर से बॉर्डर एरिया में जो टेंशन चल रही है उसके लिए बात की जाए, ठीक है. एंड 7 सितंबर 2020 को चाइना ने दोबारा से गलवान वैली के ऊपर चाइना अटैक्ड इंडियन आर्मी with swords, with weapons. Okay, and defense minister has given the permission to Rafale has to be scheduled at that area. Okay, now the next point is SCO. What is SCO? SCO is the SCO currently comprise 8 member state. 8 member state है चाइना, इंडिया, कजाकिस्तान, किर्गिस्तान, रशिया, पाकिस्तान, तजानिस्तान, यूजिबिस्तान. ऑब्जर्वर स्टेट्स क्या है? ऑब्जर्वर स्टेट इज ए प्रिविलेज ग्रांटेड बाय सम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू नॉन members to give them an ability to participate in organization activities like Afghanistan, Belarus, Iran और Mongolia. SCO is a 8 member states: China, India, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Pakistan, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan, and it is founded in 15 June 2001. Okay, now observer states क्या होते हैं? जब कभी organizations के द्वारा कई स्टेट्स को ये परमिशन दी जाती है कि वो किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो वो है ऑब्जर्वर स्टेट्स लाइक अफगानिस्तान, बेलारूस, ईरान, मंगोलिया. ओके, नाउ डायलॉग पार्टनर refers to individual foreign states and not members of IORA but with special interest and capability to contribute to IORA, particularly in the areas of common interest. Dialogue partner means they are a individual sovereign state. वो संप्रभुसत्तात्मक राज्य हैं, बट वो IORA के मेंबर नहीं हैं, बट दे हैव ए स्पेशल, बट विद स्पेशल इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपेसिटी. They have a special interest. They have a permission to contribute in IORA. It's a special interest. इन द एरिया ऑफ कॉमन इंटरेस्ट। काम करने के लिए IURA में हिस्सेदारी के लिए उन्हें परमिशन है, लाइक आर्मीनिया, अजरबैजान, कंबोडिया, नेपाल और श्रीलंका और टर्की। ओके, नाउ इंडियन Ocean Rim Association. The Indian Ocean Rim Association, formerly known as the Indian Ocean Rim Initiative and Indian Ocean Rim Association for Regional Cooperation, is an international organization consisting of 22 states bordering the Indian Association. Okay, Indian Ocean Rim Association को हम Indian Ocean Rim Initiative भी कहते हैं, और इंडियन ओशन रिम एसोसिएशन का मेन मोटिव जो है वो रीजनल कोऑपरेशन करना है सभी स्टेट के साथ। दे आर कंसिस्टेड ऑफ 22 स्टेट्स। 22 स्टेट्स के साथ वो बनी है। उनका मेन मोटिव इंडियन एसोसिएशन की बोर्डिंग को सुरक्षित करना है। और दे वर फाउंडेड इन 7 मार्च 1997। वो कब अस्तित्व में आई? 7 मार्च 1997 में। ओके, so these are some few points that I want to discuss with you, some facts that I want to share with you. Okay, I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, please share the video and subscribe my channel and like the video. Okay, thank you.